Today we are going to create a new patient record for the Diabetes Measures Group. First, choose your favorite web browser and go to www.MDinteractive.com. Once on our homepage, you can then enter in your username and password. If you do not have an account yet, please select Create an Account and follow the steps to set up your new MDinteractive account. Once on your account homepage, you will want to go to Patient Records Create. Select that option, and it will take you to your first data entry screen. You will first want to make sure that the PQRS Measures Group or measure has been correctly selected. In this case, the Diabetes Measures Group for 2016 is already here. If for some reason this does not occur when you enter in your first patient record, you can select from the drop-down arrows here. Next, you will begin by completing the provider information. Be sure that the NPI number you enter is the individual NPI and not the group NPI. Also, be sure that the tax ID number is the same tax ID number that is used when billing Medicare. Please note that after these initial provider fields have been completed for the first patient, they will auto-populate when entering in subsequent patient records. For that reason, you will want to be sure to verify that information has been accurately entered. Once the provider information is complete, you can then begin entering in the patient information. For the date of birth, you can either enter in the month, the day, and the year, or you can use the pre-provided calendar option. The MRN field stands for medical record number and is an optional field. If the patient being entered is a Medicare Part B fee-for-service patient, please select Yes under the Fee-for-Service Medicare option. If the patient is not a Medicare Part B fee-for-service Medicare patient, then you would select the other option. Please note that when completing any of the measures groups, you need at least 11 of the 20 patients to be Medicare Part B fee-for-service. You then enter in the visit date for 2016, again, either using the month, day, year format or the calendar provided. Now you can begin entering in the clinical data that's requested by CMS for the Diabetes Measures Group. For the hemoglobin A1C, you would simply enter in the value and the date of the last hemoglobin A1C taken. The next measures all require that you simply select from the drop-down options provided. Please note that when hovering over a measure, such as influenza immunization, for example, you will see the measure number as well as a brief description. If you would like a full description of the measure group, responses, and options for the Diabetes Measures Group, it can be found directly on our website, MDinteractive.com. At the bottom of the screen, you will notice that there are two areas which are already entered for you. Please do not alter these fields. They are for internal purposes only. Once you have checked and completed all of the patient's data, be sure to select Create Patient Record, which can be done here at the bottom of the page or at the top. You have now successfully created your first patient record, and you can begin entering in your subsequent patients. Thank you.